Number 5 question in labor law and social legislation. Past bar exam 2024. Question and answer. So the question is, Moses, Felix, and Sarah have 3 minor children. In 2022, Felix was detained for committing a non-bailable offense. Sarah looked for a job to support her children. On May 18, 2024, Jared Corporation hired Sarah as a cashier. On August 18, 2024, Sarah claimed that she is solo parent and applied for parental leave under Republic Act number 11861 or the Expanded Solo Parents Welfare Act. Is Sarah entitled to parental leave? Explain. Answer, no. She is not entitled to parental leave. Solo parent is any individual who falls under any of the following categories. 2. Parental parent left, solo or alone, with the responsibility of parenthood due to the following circumstances. B. While the spouse is detained or is serving sentence for a criminal conviction for at least 1 year, solo parent under RA 8972. In addition to leave privileges under existing laws, parental leave of not more than 7 working days every year shall be granted to any solo parent employee who has rendered service of at least 1 year. The 70 parental leave shall be non-cumulative. Section 18 Rules and Regulations implementing Republic Act 8972. A solo parent shall be entitled to parental leave provided that A. He or she has rendered at least 1 year of service, whether continuous or broken, at the time of the effectivity of the Act. B. He or she notified his or her employer of the availment thereof within a reasonable time period. And C. He or she has presented a solo parent identification card to his or her employer. Section 19 Rules and Regulations implementing Republic Act 8972. Source: Labor Law Reviewer by Attorney Voltaire Duano, LLM. So that's it. It's a very short question and answer. Thank you, good day, and God bless.